That rescue occurred by chance. Muskegon Heights officers were initially dispatched to this vacant house on East Broadway for a welfare check. Thanks to some quick thinking and canvassing around the neighborhood, they found the right place just in time.
Frosty conditions and bone-chilling temps.
It makes it a little bit more stressful.
Patrolling in the cold is just a part of the job for these Muskegon Heights officers.
Just calls due to being outside in the cold.
Saturday, however, was anything but uneventful. It started with a well-being check.
My sister from Detroit, Michigan called and said, hey, I need a check well-being done on my brother. He hasn't answered his cell phone for 2 weeks.
That call led Muskegon Heights police officers Amaya Overstreet and Mitchell Wilson to a house on East Broadway.
I'm kind of looking through the windows in the house again. I noticed there's like a younger female's belongings in there, so I'm like, this is kind of odd.
The man alongside his dog were nowhere to be found, but that didn't stop these officers from carrying out some good old-fashioned police work.
So I go knock on a couple neighbors' doors. Hey, have you ever seen this guy coming and going? Have you seen him recently? They're like, no.
When I dug deeper into the history, I located that he had police contact in the 2100 block of Superior. So my partner and I were like, okay, well, let's go check this address.
That's where they found the man, lying unconscious on his kitchen floor next to his dog.
He's moaning and groaning, so I'm like, okay, at this point, we need to make entry. While I contacted ProMed, I heard the clicking of a noise.
The man had used his stove to heat up his house, but it was leaking carbon monoxide.
You could literally touch the walls and they were hot to the touch.
Thanks to these officers, Muskegon Heights Fire and Trinity Health, the man and his dog are okay, but it could have ended much differently.
Fire said when we got there, like, if you guys didn't put in that extra work to find him, he wouldn't have made it through the night.
A happy ending, all in a day's work.
It feels great. It's just a reminder that the reason why I got into this job is to protect and to serve and to see that I did good and helped someone.
The state of Michigan offers free carbon monoxide and smoke alarm installation through the Michigan Prevention Program. To find out more, visit this story on fox17online.com. In Muskegon Heights, Alina Howder, Fox 17 News.